Hi guys, today I am going to show you how to check the voltage of a LiPo battery via multimeter. It's a 3-cell 11.1 volt battery and we will check its total voltage and also the individual voltage of each cell through its balance pins. So let's start and put the multimeter at 20 volt and touch the corner pins in this way. So it is showing 11.3 volt. This is the total voltage of the battery, and to check the individual voltage of each cell we have to touch the adjacent pins one by one. And please note one important thing, that the multimeter pins should not be touched with each other. So do it very carefully, otherwise a short circuit will occur. So for the first cell it is showing 3.76 volt. For the second and for the third it's 3.76 volt per cell. So thanks for watching and please like and subscribe.